Creating a repair with Retailer Pros. So first of all, we have to click on the option on Create Repair. Then we land on this page. Then we select the type for the repair. Let's suppose it's hardware in our case. Then we select the date. Let's suppose it's 10th of July. Then we select the customer type. Is it either a regular customer or a walk-in customer? So in case of a regular customer, we can always add them in case we do not find a name. We do add up all of the information here in this page and then hit save, add customer. Then we hit cross. And in case of a walk-in customer, like in this case, we put the phone number, like supposedly it's over here right now, and then the email address, if there is one. If there is not one, then it's okay. We click on next, and before that we fill up the repair item, which is the device name, the IMEI number, and the password or whatever it has. Then we hit next. If we do have additional information like loaner phone, you can select if you have to give loaner phone or not. Then hit next. Item used, if there is one. Outside inventory, if there is one. Then next. Capture image, if you do have one or not, that's fine. Then hit next and we get the payment. What is the diagnosis fee, repair fee, discounts if any, tax amount, and a deposit. Then we add the repair and the repair is added.